Turn your backyard into your child's very own construction site with the Cat Bulldozer from Trax. This unique ride-on is packed full of fun with real-life features for real-life play. Your little construction worker can get it all done with 2 boulders to push around and their very own toy hard hat. Just like the real thing, this bulldozer is highly maneuverable and can turn in place thanks to the dual motor steering and independent joystick controls. A heavy-duty 12-volt battery keeps the fun going and is easy to charge with the one-step direct connect charging system on the side. So see what your child's imagination builds with the Trax Cat Bulldozer.